Hello everyone. So today we'll do unit first of obesity and weight management. First we'll discuss the introduction. इसमें हम देखेंगे कि obesity होता क्या है, कैसे मेजर करता है, ये सब एक शॉर्ट नोट भी आ जाए लिखने के लिए तो उसके लिए. तो obesity is a complex medical condition characterized by excessive accumulation of body fat that negatively impact our health. तो क्या होता है, एक मेडिकल कंडीशन होती है जिसमें हमारी बॉडी पे फैट इकट्ठा हो जाता है विच नेगेटिवली इम्पैक्ट आवर हेल्थ, जो हमारी हेल्थ को इम्पैक्ट करता है. इट रिजल्ट्स फ्रॉम एन इम्बैलेंस बिटवीन कैलोरी इनटेक एंड एनर्जी एक्सपेंडिचर. कौन कौन से फैक्टर्स हैं? कॉन्ट्रीब्यूटिंग फैक्टर्स इंक्लूड अनहेल्दी डाइट, लैक ऑफ फिजिकल एक्टिविटी, जेनेटिक्स, medical condition and psychological factors. It is commonly measured using the body mass index, the BMI, which is calculating by dividing a person's body weight in kilograms and the square of the height in meter. BMI of 30 and higher is classified as obesity, while BMI of 25, between 25 and 29 is considered as overweight, and a BMI of 18 to 24 is considered as normal, and below 18 is underweight. The WHO, World Health Organization, recognized obesity as a global epidemic and leading cause of preventable health. It is more serious than medical. It is a more serious medical condition requiring changes and some requiring changes such as lifestyle modifications, dietary changes, and sometimes medical intervention to prevent long-term health disease. वो चेंजेस मैं लिख देती हूँ, इसमें ऐड नहीं है. दैट इज लाइफस्टाइल मॉडिफिकेशन एंड डाइटरी चेंजेस. Now we'll look at the causes of obesity. First is poor dietary habits. Unhealthy eating patterns are one of the primary causes of obesity. जब हम जंक फूड खाते हैं या फिर प्रॉपर विटामिन्स मिनरल्स नहीं लेते हैं तो ये भी एक कोज है, प्राइम फैक्टर है ओबेसिटी का. These includes excessive calorie intake. Consuming more calories than the body needs leads to fat accumulation. High consumption of processed foods or junk food. Junk food, sugary drinks and fast food are high in unhealthy fats, sugar and preservatives leading to weight gain. लो फाइबर इनटेक. अगर हम फाइबर नहीं लेंगे तो हमारा डाइजेशन अच्छे से नहीं होता है. तो लैक ऑफ फ्रूट्स, वेजिटेबल्स एंड होल ग्रेन्स इन द डाइट रिजल्ट्स इन पुअर डाइजेशन एंड इंक्रीज फैट स्टोरेज. इरेगुलर ईटिंग पैटर्न्स. हम बहुत ज़्यादा खाएंगे या जैसे हम कई बार रात को पढ़ते हैं तो हमें भूख लगती है, हम खाने लग जाते हैं, तो वो हमारे इरेगुलर ईटिंग पैटर्न्स होते हैं जो बेसिकली क्या करते हैं, लीड्स टू ओबेसिटी. Skipping meals or eating late at night can disturb metabolism and contribute to obesity. Next is, आप ये points याद कर लेना. Lack of physical activity. A sedentary lifestyle significantly contribute to obesity. Some factors include, इसका पहला फैक्टर है रिड्यूस फिजिकल एक्टिविटी. जब हम बहुत कम फिजिकल एक्टिविटी करते हैं या तो कुछ कर ही नहीं रहे हम फिजिकल एक्टिविटी, रनिंग, जॉगिंग वगैरह, या फिर बहुत कम कर रहे हैं. लैक ऑफ मूवमेंट्स लीड टू फ्यूअर कैलोरीज बीइंग बर्न, प्रमोटेड फैट एक्यूमुलेशन. टेक्नोलॉजी एंड स्क्रीन टाइम. जब हम बहुत देर तक फ़ोन देखते हैं, कंप्यूटर देखते हैं या फिर टीवी वगैरह देखते हैं, या फिर हमारा काम ऐसा होता है कि हमें कंप्यूटर वगैरह पे देखना पड़ता है और जिसकी वजह से हमारी फिजिकल एक्टिविटी नहीं हो पाती है, तो वो भी ओबेसिटी का कोज होता है एक. वर्क एंड लाइफ स्टाइल चेंजेस. वही जो मैं अभी बता रही थी, बहुत देर तक कंप्यूटर्स पे बैठे रहना है या फिर कोई ऐसी जॉब है कि उसमें बैठ के काम करना है, तो वो भी एक मेन कोज है ओबेसिटी का. जॉब से रिक्वायर प्रोलॉन्ग सिटिंग एंड अर्बन लाइफ स्टाइल विद इन मिनिमल वॉकिंग और मैनुअल लेबर कंट्रीब्यूट टू वेट गेन. नेक्स्ट पॉइंट इज जेनेटिक एंड बायोलॉजिकल फैक्टर्स. जेनेटिक मतलब अगर हमारी फैमिली में कोई ओबेज है, प्ले ए क्रूशियल रोल इन डिटरमाइनिंग एन इंडिविजुअल्स मेटाबॉलिज्म, फैट स्टोरेज एंड एपेटाइट रेगुलेशन. फैमिली हिस्ट्री. इफ पेरेंट्स आर ओबेज, द likely of children becoming obese is higher due to inherited traits. Metabolic rate differences. Some individuals naturally have lower metabolism, making weight management difficult. Fat distribution. Genetics determine where the body stores fat, influence obesity risks. Now next point is medical conditions and medicines. कई बार हम बहुत ज़्यादा बीमार होते हैं तो दवाइयों की वजह से भी हम बहुत ज़्यादा ओबेस हो जाते हैं. Certain health conditions and medications can lead to weight gain, including hypothyroidism, a condition where the thyroid gland does not produce enough hormones, leading to a slower metabolism. Polycystic ovary syndrome, a hormonal disorder that affects metabolism and leads to weight gain. Medicines, some antidepressants, steroids, and diabetes medicines can cause increased appetite and weight gain. Next is psychological and emotional factors. Mental health and emotions also play a role in obesity. Emotional eating, stress, anxiety, and depression can trigger overeating, especially high-calorie comfort food. Being an eating order, some individuals have difficult controlling their food intake, leading to excessive calories consumption. Sleep deprivation, lack of sleep disturbs hunger hormones, which leads to weight gain. Next is socioeconomic and environmental factors. Social and economic conditions influence obesity rates. Economic constant, limited access to healthy food, nutritious food due to financial difficulties leads to reliance on cheap processed foods. Food availability. Fast food chains and processed foods are more accessible than fresh and healthy options in many urban areas. Lack of awareness. Misinformation about nutrition and diet contributes to poor eating habits. Next is hormonal imbalance. Hormone regulate appetite, metabolism, and fat storage. Imbalance in hormones like insulin, leptin can contribute to obesity. Insulin resistance. High insulin level due to excessive sugar intake can cause fat storage. It also leads to some medical conditions like the diabetes. Leptin resistance. Leptin is a hormone that controls hunger. In obese individual, leptin resistance can cause overeating. Cortisol level. High stress leading to increased cortisol production, promoting belly fat accumulation. अब हम देखेंगे बॉडी मास इंडेक्स. इस पर बेसिकली शॉर्ट नोट ही आता है तो हम इसे उसी तरह प्रिपेयर करेंगे. तो BMI is one of the most common and simple way to check if a person is underweight, normal, overweight or obese. ये मैंने पीछे बताया था कि कैसे हम क्लासीफाई करते हैं. It is calculated by dividing a person's weight in kilograms by the square of their height in meter. Formula is BMI का weight in kgs and height in meter square. तो हम इसे यहाँ है कि हम क्लासीफाई कैसे करेंगे. लेस देन 18.5 इज अंडरवेट, 18.5 to 24.9 इज नॉर्मल, 25 to 29 इज ओवरवेट एंड 30 and above is obese. BMI is a quick and easy way, but it does not show where the fat is located or how much muscle a person has. अभी और हम इसका एक एग्जाम्पल बता सकते हैं. एग्जाम्पल, हाइट ऑफ अ पर्सन इज 1.59 मीटर एंड वेट इज 59. ये हम एक एग्जाम्पल दे सकते हैं 59.8 kgs. तो हम इसका BMI कैसे निकाल लेंगे. फर्स्ट वेट इन kgs इज 59.8 एंड हाइट को हम क्या करेंगे, स्क्वायर कर देंगे. 1.59 इसका स्क्वायर होगा 2.52 और अब हम कैलकुलेशंस करेंगे तो हमारा आंसर आएगा 23.6 विच इज़ अ नॉर्मल BMI. नेक्स्ट हम देखेंगे वेस्ट हिप रेशो. वेस्ट हिप रेशो इज़ यूज्ड टू फाइंड आउट हाउ fat is distributed in the body, especially around the stomach area. It is calculated by dividing the measurement of waist by the measurement of hip. The formula is waist circumference divided by hip circumference. Healthy values for men is less than 0.9 and for women is less than 0.8. 0.85. Why it is important? A higher waist hip ratio means more fat around the waist, which increase the risk of heart disease, diabetes and other health problems. इसका भी हम एक एग्जाम्पल देखते हैं. लेट्स अज्यूम कि किसी भी पर्सन की वेस्ट है 60 सेंटीमीटर में होता है, 66 सेंटीमीटर, और उसकी हाइट है 166 सेंटीमीटर. इसकी हाइट भी सेंटीमीटर में होती है. तो अब हम इसका अगर वेस्ट हिप रेशियो निकालेंगे तो 66 बाई 166, this is 0.40, which is also a normal waist hip ratio because it is less than 0.85. नाउ अब हम देखेंगे वेस्ट हाइट रेशियो. दिस मेथड compares your waist size to your height to check for central obesity, fat around your belly. The formula is waist circumference divided by my height. ये भी हमारा सेंटीमीटर में होता है. आइडियल वैल्यू होती है should be less than 0.5. Example, if the height is 160 centimeter and your waist should be less than 80 centimeter. इसका हम एक और एग्जाम्पल देखेंगे अभी. Why it matters? It is a good way to predict risk of heart disease, especially in children and adults, even if BMI is normal. कई बार क्या होता है BMI जो है वो हमारा सारी चीज़ें नहीं बता पाता है, इसलिए हम वेस्ट हाइट, वेस्ट हिप रेशो ये सब चेक करता है. अभी इसका भी एक एग्जाम्पल देखते हैं. लेट्स अज्यूम कि हाइट है 164 सेंटीमीटर और हमारी हिप है 67. 67 अपॉन 164 इज 0.41. तो ये क्या है हमारा नॉर्मल, कि हमारा लेस देन 0.5 होना चाहिए. अब हम देखते हैं स्किन फोल्ड थिकनेस. दिस मेथड मेजर्स द थिकनेस ऑफ फैट अंडर योर स्किन using a special tool called a skin fold capillary. Common body parts where the fat is measured including abdomen, the stomach area, triceps, thighs and the hip bone area, which is also called supraleca. A trained person pinches the skin and measure how thick the fat layer is. The number help estimate the total body fat percentage. This method is useful for athletes and fitness programs but requires skill to do it correctly. Next topic is health risks associated with obesity. Obesity significantly increases the risk of developing various health problems affecting almost every system in our body. It can lead to chronic disease, reduced life expectancy, and lower overall quality of life. Now, below are the some major risks associated with obesity. First is cardiovascular disease, मतलब हमारे हार्ट से रिलेटेड जो डिजीज़ होती हैं. Obesity is a leading cause of heart-related problems, including high blood pressure, which we also call hypertension. Excess weight put pressure on heart, increasing the risk of hypertension. Second is heart disease, which includes heart attack. Fat built up in the arteries can restrict blood flow, leading to heart attack. Next is stroke. Obesity increases the likelihood of blood clots, which can block blood supply to the brain, causing strokes. Next is type 2 diabetes. Being overweight increases insulin resistance, making it difficult for the body to regulate blood sugar levels. Over time, it leads to type 2 diabetes, a chronic condition that can cause severe complications such as kidney disease, nerve damage or vision problems. नेक्स्ट इज़ रेस्पिरेटरी इश्यूज़, हमें सांस लेने में दिक्कत होती है, लंग्स की प्रॉब्लम हो जाती है. ओबेसिटी अफेक्ट्स लंग फंक्शन एंड ब्रीदिंग पैटर्न्स, लीडिंग टू स्लीप एपनिया, हमें नींद नहीं आती है, रात को सोते टाइम सांस लेने में प्रॉब्लम होती है. एक्सेस फैट अराउंड द नेक कैन ब्लॉक एयरवेज, causing breathing interruptions during sleep. Asthma, Obesity-related inflammation can worsen asthma symptoms, reduce lung capacity. Extra weight puts pressure on lungs, making it harder to breathe. Next is joint and bone problems. Excess body weight places stress on bones and joints, leading to osteoarthritis. Increased pressure on the knees, hips, and lower back leads to cartilage breakdown, causing joint pain and stiffness. Got high uric acid level, common in obese individuals, which can lead to painful joint inflammation. Next is liver disease. Obesity can cause fat accumulation in liver, leading to inflammation and liver damage. If untreated, it can progress to liver or failure. Next is cancer risk. Obesity increases the risk of several cancers, including breast cancer, colon cancer, liver cancer, kidney cancer, and endometrial cancer. Excess body fat promote inflammation and hormonal imbalance, which contribute to cancer growth. Next is mental health issues. Obesity can negatively impact mental well-being, leading to depression and anxiety. Social stigma, lower self-esteem, and body image issue can cause mental distress. Emotional eating, stress, and mood disorders can lead to unhealthy eating patterns, worsening obesity, or can lead to obesity. Digestive disorder. Obesity increases the risk of gastrointestinal problems such as gastroesophageal reflux disease. Extra weight puts pressure on stomach, causing acid reflux. Gallstones. Excess cholesterol can form stones in gallbladder, leading to pain and digestion issues. Next is kidney disease. Obesity increases blood pressure and diabetes risk, both of which are major cause of chronic kidney disease. Excess fat can also increase damaged kidney tissue. Next is hormonal imbalance and fertility issues. Obesity, इस पॉइंट को हम अलग से कर सकते हैं fertility issues को. Obesity disrupts hormones producing affecting reproductive health. In women, increased risk of irregular periods, inflammatory and pregnancy complications. In men, lower testosterone level leading to reduced fertility and sexual dysfunction. Next is weakened immune system. Obese individuals may have weaker immune responses, making them more prone to infection and slower wound healing. We can also include one point, that is pregnancy problem. Related to obesity. Obesity can lead to complications during pregnancy, affecting both the mother and the baby. The first is preeclampsia. It is a serious condition. Characterized by high blood pressure, and damage to organs. Like liver and kidney. Preeclampsia can also cause premature birth, and poses risks to both the mother and the baby. You can add some more points like increased risk of C-section, because in obese individuals or in obese women, they are more likely to have complicated labors and may require C-sections, which come with longer recovery. They come with longer recovery and risk of infection. You can also make this a separate point that the risk of infection in obese individuals are more. Thank you.